Kandh Plastology, the new era of test method and machine. Over 150 years ago, Alexander Parkes invented plastic and publicly demonstrated it at the 1862 Great International Exhibition in London. Kandh Plastology, working over minute details with stringent quality test equipment, pioneered in the same direction of plastics inventor Alexander Parkes. The invention of plastic was a revolution which gave the humans an easier and cheaper way to access various applications. Now, it has become mandatory today. The fact that plastic is lightweight, non-rusted, long-lived, helps to lower cost and resources is the reason it has gained so much popularity. Versatile plastics inspire countless innovations that help make life better, healthier, and safer every day. From computers and cell phones to televisions and microwaves, from household to industries, durable, lightweight, and affordable plastics have helped revolutionize the products we rely on every day. Plastics are essential to advances in weight reduction and utilized in many electronic and industrial products. Nowadays, plastics can be engineered to meet very specific performance requirements, often helping to achieve greater energy efficiency over the course of a product's life. It makes plastic a valuable part of our life. Now, industries needs quality testing of plastics for better performance of plastic products. When people were not even aware of material quality testing equipment, Kandh Plastology pioneered in the manufacturing plastic material testing equipment. Kandh Plastology continues to strive for perfection and attain the caliber of developing products as per the international standards. Kandh Plastology is one of the voluminous names in the field of manufacturing plastic and scientific testing machineries. The company has always acted in the first person, using some in-house resources. Kandh Plastology has a dynamic and flexible staff, capable of design and realizing production solutions to meet the customer's requirements, satisfaction, and specific request. Innovation and independent production capability are the key for our success. As per scientific requirement, careful design geared to research into cutting-edge solution and meticulous attention to production guarantees are high-tech products, able to supply the right answer to a wide range of various fields of requirements. Our mission. Kandh Plastology focuses on customer satisfaction. Kandh Plastology fosters the awareness that every action reflects our collective efforts and commitments. Kandh Plastology always seek to play an active role in the development of our industrial environment, working in compliance with ethically sustainable values. Kandh Plastology invests in the research and development, which helps us produce better products. Kandh Plastology believes in continuously upgrading the technology, which will enable us to enhance the manufacturing process. Kandh Plastology provide the fast after-sales service if the need be. The technically sound engineers team will supervise the installation, repairing and maintenance program at the appointed site. Our product. Kandh Plastology, manufacturers of plastic and scientific testing machines for all testing needs and quality control. Kandh Plastology produces two different brands of machines such as Kandh and Dolatec. Kandh brand is premium quality brand with latest updated technology, adopted high sophisticated manufacturing technique for exactitude and quality testing machines. The Kandh brand machines are interfaced with computer and release the test report with print option. Dolatec brand is most economic brand to reach the demand of certain customers, who tends us to make the better quality with competitive price. The Dolatec brand machines are designed with most economic price, with superior performance and technically approved specification. Extreme quality test equipment for analysis and research. Kant Plastology's quality policy is the harvest of continuous improvement in design, manufacturing method and best quality control technique. Rigid construction with elegant look of the equipment, with better consistency in test results sets a definite standard in plastics testing industries. Precisely machined mechanical components. Kant Plastology obeys all the theoretical principle of perfect machining and shapes all the mechanical parts with exact dimensional stability to make the maintenance-less equipment. All mechanical components work smoothly due to proper heat treatment and hard chrome finish. Communicated instrumentation and electronic device. To run with the global world, Kant Plastology developed the instruments which are interfaced with computer. This particular electronic device operated through such type of software which logged the data during test and converted into tabular chart and in graphical form too. This software is especially designed with mathematical formula of the related test and to get printout of test result with all test details. Rigid and heavy construction of equipment. Stable structure of the equipment provides the sturdiness and quality of equipment. The rigid fabrication permits the ease in operation, eliminates the disturbance in alignment of movable parts and makes it the vibration-free equipment. The heavy machines are leveled through proper leveling bolt system, situated at foundation of machine. Calculated gauge of material and custom-based heater design. Kant Plastology's technical team constantly develops operational ease for instrument at a reasonable price. Technically calculated gauge of material, area of equipment with certain weight, custom-based heater, proper selection of sensor position, minimize the losses of heating or cooling during test. All these parameters are regularly examined by qualified and experienced engineers. Optimum and efficient electrical circuit. Completely logical, clear electrical circuit eliminates uninterrupted breakdown through operator-friendly electrical circuit diagram. Electronic components are protected with different types of safety devices as fuses and SMPS. Selection of quality instrumentation provides the long life of equipment without failure in workmanship. Superior and aesthetic look of apparatus. Kant Plastology are always manufacturing test apparatus of compact design with great performance, which permit the standard test technique with dimension accuracy at reasonable cost. The aesthetic look of apparatus is the result of best polyester powder coating and chrome finish with technically precise method of alignment in assembly work. Research and development. We believe that any investment in the research and development shall bear rich dividends in the years to come. Our R&D department is continuously on the toes to bring in new and better solutions. And this approach has helped us to create better performing products. Thus, the company has been successful in making its presence felt in the industry. Services. Our technically sound manpower is equipped to handle the complex inquiries of our varied clientele. We have a team of strong technicians and engineers who are constantly at work and are engaged in developing testing equipments, which enable us to cater to the market requirements optimally. Customer care and support is a prime priority for the company. Regular, reliable production and fast dispatch are reputation of Kant Plastology's well-organized setup.